Hello everyone and hello friend. So now I'm in school. I'm come back to school just now, and now I'm stand up in front of my class, and I see a student working, and everyone. Because now I'm tired, maybe I'm not teaching now, guys. Uh, and my friend in night nothing teaching, guys, because all my friend go to review for take bamboo, guys, and he just come back now, and maybe now nothing teaching, guys. And everyone, I'm very tired in my home because I'm working in garden. Until now my body is pegal-pegal, guys. I am very tired, guys. We were lila ke kunjungan dia batur. Angkat lila ke kunjungan dia an. Lila ke kunjungan no ni ka. Hit. Belajar dia. Hoi. Belajar. Angkat di mantayak. And now bamboo in the car, guys, not turn but in up car, not car, sorry guys. And everyone, so today, so in night, this night, Tuesday. So everyone, you can see this student. He remember hafalan. Everyone, now I tell you story, guys. Story in the garden. So after I make vlog, my mother, my mother wanna go home. So I'm prepared for go home, and I'm go home, guys. And after I'm until my home, I'm break and I'm scrolling my phone, and I see chicken and other. And after in Maghrib, I remember, guys, I forget banana in the garden. So my mother cut banana tree, and the banana have fruit, guys. And my mother put the banana in beside garden. So uh, guys, I see this is banana, and I remember in Maghrib, guys. So my mother forget. So this is banana, and my mother in prayer Isa. I'm come back to garden, guys, for take this is banana, guys. And I'm take this banana and Isa, guys. Isa, and after that, I'm prepare my clutter and other, and I'm use jacket, and I'm permission to my mother, and my mother give me money, and I'm salam for my mother, and I'm on the engine my motorcycle, and I'm go to school, guys. And everyone, oh. And everyone, after I'm on engine my motorcycle, I just go to school, guys. So in the road, I'm very enjoy, and very fast. I'm use my motorcycle, not slow, guys. And maybe in 10 minutes I'm until Tanakan, and in Tanakan in Baramayong in Pertamina. So because my motorcycle nothing BBM, so I'm enter to Pertamina, and I'm entry, and I'm buying BBM 3 liter Pertalite, guys. not full tank because I'm now nothing money, guys. And so everyone, and after I'm buying BBM, guys, I just continue my journey and and I'm gospel and maybe in 7 minutes, maybe, or 5 minutes, I'm until school, guys. So I'm until school and I'm parkir my motorcycle in front of my room, and after that I'm enter to my room, guys, because in my room all my student waiting me. So before I'm teaching, now I wanna complete my achievement, and I wanna make video, and now I'm upload uh, eh, and after that I make video, I'm upload to my channel in YouTube, guys, and I'm next to teaching. Oh, weh, boleh jawab pas mana nih? Belum ada nado kan nih? Angkau pas mah menerunan sing hampir teh menangan. Teh nih pelorong kan? Teh pelorong kan nih, SMK nih bersambung ke SMP. Belum yang ketajam kali malah gede. So everyone, now I wanna see condition all class in school, because now teacher or my friend a lot of working. Okay guys, thank you so much, because all of you always watching my video, and I always see if I upload my video, I see all of you watching, guys. So I hope all of you watching until complete video, guys. And I'm sorry guys, because I'm a lot of mistake in speak. So because now I'm study and I'm always try and try again for speak good, guys. Okay, guys, thank you so much and see you next time.